If your iPhone is lagging after you've updated the phone to the latest iOS 26 software update, then follow the steps in this video, because some of these solutions should work for you. I'm first going to open the settings on my iPhone, and then let's open our battery section. They've reorganized some things in here, so let's scroll all the way down and find the power mode option, because these two features are the ones we're looking for. If you have low power mode enabled and your battery has an orange color, then turn this switch off until the battery turns to a normal white or black color. One more thing that we want to turn off is the adaptive power mode, and this is a new feature which is introduced with iOS 26 that is designed to save you a bit of battery life while maximizing the performance. It's something similar to low power mode, which means that it will drop the frame rate of our display sometimes. It will slow down the device, is some cases which can cause your phone to lag and drop frames. So turn both of these off and check if that helped with the issue. Fix number 2, which I have for you, is to check if you have enough storage space left on your phone after the update. So let's open the settings one more time. Then open the General section. Hop over to the iPhone storage right here and then check out this graph at the top. You can see that I have around 40 gigabytes of storage space, which is more than enough. Make sure that your own device has at least a couple of gigabytes, and I recommend you to open the app from this list, which you don't need, and then delete it from your device. This step will free up some storage space, and hopefully it can fix the issue. Keep in mind that if your memory is full and you only have a couple of hundred megabytes left, then that could be the issue, and you need to free up that storage space in order to stop the lag. Solution number 3 is to restart your device. So let's open the Control Center by swiping from the top right corner of the screen, then tap and hold on the little power option here until the slide to power off screen appears. Let's slide this. Wait for 10 or 15 seconds until your phone turns off completely, and then just turn it back on by pressing the side button. Maybe you're having internet issues, and that is why your apps appear to lag and they're buggy. So what you can do is to open the Control Center on your phone, after which you're going to enable airplane mode. Wait for 5 or 10 seconds and disable airplane mode. This step will reconnect you to your network and your Wi-Fi connection. And after that, hop over to a website called speedtest.net. This site is going to allow us to measure our internet speed and see if it's fast or stable. If your connection has a 4 or 5 megabyte speed on the download side, then the internet isn't the issue. The next fix which I have for you is to hop over to your App Store, then tap on the profile picture icon located at the top right corner of our screen. Scroll a bit down and check which apps need updating. You can update every single app at once by clicking this Update All option, and now just wait for a couple of minutes until every app on your iPhone installs the latest version. iOS 26 is a brand new update at the time of recording this video, so most of the apps aren't optimized yet for your iOS version. You want to update the apps regularly, and the lagging should stop within a couple of days. Also, make sure to update the software regularly, because even though the update is new and public, it still has some bugs and some lagging, which will be fixed in the future updates. So update your apps regularly, update the phone's software, and be patient, because some of the problems are on their side. If you have any suggestions or other fixes, then please make sure to leave them in the comments down below so we can help more people, and I'll see you in the next video.